Hi everyone, this is another post-pandemic traveller video from Yellomundee Regional Park, which is a lookout at the beginning of the Blue Mountains that overlooks the whole of the Penrith surrounding suburbs. So I'll just take you for a little walk around and show you what they have here. So as you can see, it's called Yellomundee Regional Park. I've heard that the lookout is actually, by locals it's called something else, but I can't really remember what that is. But as you can see, it has an amazing view of, down there is actually Penrith and the Penrith surrounding suburbs.
I'll go over here now.
Hello, sir. Oh. Hello, sir.
Ma'am.
So just another little bit of a sneak peek of life in Australia and what it looks like here.
Ma'am, sir, ma'am, sir.
I think a whole lot of people on their drives up to the Blue Mountains stop off here just for a little rest break on their journey to wherever they're going, because while I've been here having a little bit of a picnic, I've noticed about 3 or 4, or actually a lot more than that, but a whole lot of different carloads of people coming and just having a look, and then going on their merrily ways. So once again, this has been a post-pandemic traveller video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to ask me, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Peace out.